All right, let me see. Hold on. Let me do share, copy link. All right, boom, boom. Start virtual camera. Okay. All right. Yo, yo, yo. Hold on, let me put this. Um, um, all right, there we go. Just pin that message right there. And let me see. Hold on. Start. All right, what's good? What's good, y'all? Hold on. All right. So yeah, let me know if y'all have any problems with watching the live stream. I'm gonna try to look at the chat and uh from time to time. But anyways, what's up, y'all? Uh, as you guys can see, I am trying to learn Pyret. It's a programming language. I already got you know I already got a little bit ahead already in the language, just trying to get familiar with a couple stuff. Um, if you watched my previous live stream, you already know that I was also working on this. But just want to say what's good, y'all. Um, so far I've just made different functions, tested out a couple things, did a little experiment, spent hours trying to create like 3 lines of code. Hey, it's all part of the process. It's all part of me learning. Again, this is not an entertainment live stream. If you guys get bored, hey, that's my bad. You know what I'm saying? But this is I'm just trying to stress the reality of learning a new language or learning anything really. It's not going I'm not going in one night. It's going to take consistency, me taking my time, me trying to get on the grind every day. So yeah, that's basically it. So far, I'm like currently I'm working on trying to build tables. So as you can see here, I kind of made like a little table function. This is the title of the table, employees, and then we got the table. These are the different columns, names, hourly rate, hourly wage, and hours worked. And then these are the data inside the table. So the first one, hold on, let me just run this back. All right, so the first one, we got the employees, etc. Prints out the table. We got the columns of names, and then we got the hourly wage, and then the hours worked. And then um, I just learned how to add extra columns without having to type everything out. Like it just makes it more easier. So with this function compute wages, I can do build column, what was it, employees, because that's the name of the table. And then total wage is the name of the column that I want to create. And then I'm gonna do the compute wage function to have all the calculated values. So I'm basically multiplying the hourly wage to the hours worked. and I should get like 200 for oh, hold on. Oh wait. Oh my goodness. I had this there we go. That's what it was. Compute wages. There you go. All right. So yeah, um it multiplies 15 by 40, and then it gets the output of this. So that just makes it much easier than me trying to type. I can do that, just add everything, but it just makes it easier. So let me see, calculating new column values. So okay, all right, so for here, let me see, we got function new rate. This is also like you know making your life much easier um when trying to add different things to previous tables. Like I can obviously just type in you know um like multiply any rate that is under 20, and just like put it here. But it's much easier or more convenient for me to write a function that can do all that stuff for me. So let me see. Okay. And where goodness gracious, rate 10 is 11, and new rate 0 is 0. The whole point of doing the where, if you guys do not know, it's basically something that double checks your function. So if you want your function to have a certain output, you can obviously try to test that out um by entering in here, trying to test if new rate would give you a certain value. But where it just automatically checks it right here, it's another one of those convenient things. um so like for example, if I wanted the new rate of 20 to equal 21, it's gonna tell me like, yo, the output that you wanted is not there. You need to fix the function or change what you expect to come out of it. So yeah. And earlier in this um what was it, in this lesson page or whatever, it was saying, like, it was stressing the fact that you have to have like multiple where statements to be able to have a strong check. Like, for example, if I didn't have the new rate 0 is 0 thing, there could be a problem. Let me see. Yeah, there could be a problem with me. Hold on. Yeah, no, there could be a problem with me um encountering any values that are 0. Like, it's good to have a zero statement or a null statement, just to double check that it will equal null. Because if it has something like rate times 1.1 plus 1, the new rate 0 is not going to be 0. It's going to be um, yeah, I forgot about that. It's not going to be 0. It's going to be 1. So it's good to have that shows that. Yeah, it's good to have multiple where statements covering multiple different things. So let's see. Give reasons table. Okay. Function give. raises, see, table. Okay. All right. And the point of doing this as well, like I could obviously do this, but the reason why you do this is to make sure that whatever input you put for this function, you get the desired class or desired type of input. Like, for example, this one expects a row. Um, let me see. I had another function. I don't know where it went, where it expected a number. So this shows like, okay, I expect a table type input, and then a table type output. So yeah, that's it. Let's see. And documentation helps me helps me quickly know what a function does, because if I come back months later and try to figure out what all these functions do, if it's a complex function, I won't be able to know, like, unless I like spent extra time trying to figure out what exactly it does. With the documentation, that it saves time. Okay. So give, let me see. I think I use the give raises function, like, and so it should turn Harley's um Harley's wage. I'm not even gonna pronounce that name, and Miyako's wage. Let me see. Oh, whoops. Yeah. All right. And then yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna add. Oh, where? Ooh, not new rate. Give raises. Actually, no, I can't necessarily give a an effective where statement for this, because it's a table output and not like a number or something. It's easier with numbers or string values. What raise will show for Miyako. Give raises. It will show 19.8 after the give raises function is completed, because it multiplies um, the 18 hourly wage and then gives it 19.8. Examples of table producing functions. Some ideas for writing for give raises. How might I write a where? Uh, oh, wow. Okay, see, I didn't. The thing is, I do not know how to create a function, so this is actually useful. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So instead of putting the whole like instead of putting all the columns into my where statement, I can just do one column. Yeah, I'll just copy and paste this because there's no need for me to do all that. Okay. This example shows that you can write an output directly in the red block. Okay. The only reason why I didn't think I was able to use a block with oh whoa. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. The only reason why I didn't think I was able to use the where block in a with the table output was because I thought it was just going to print a whole table, so it's not you weren't able to um or really it was just because I didn't know how, honestly. Because I thought if it created a column, I mean if it creates a table, you know, I would think that the where would only just see like, this giant table instead of, row, I mean the column and then the row, etc. So, let me check the chat. All right. Um, see, this example shows that you can write an output directly in one block. New table by taking rows from an existing table. If you were instead writing an example. Okay, I've actually tried this function before, the add row function. It was with the winter rows. So what I did was I did. Let me see. I might have probably have it in here. Oh, okay. All right, but like I could do. Yes, to make sure that the resulting table at the first. Understand. Okay, that's creates a new table. Okay. Hey, you guys can hear me all right, right? So, all right, let me see. Oh, it's blurry. All right, let me see. Let me see something there. Okay. Let me fix that. See properties. Oh wow, it is blurry. Okay. There we go. Introduction. Uh, just put that up right there. Hold on, I'm gonna try to fix the blurry thing. Hey, I'm gonna try to fix the image thing. Try to make it look more clear. 1 second. All right. Uh, All right. Let me know if you can see it a little better now. I increased the bit rate up, and I think that was the problem. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna just resume, but if it's still blurry, just let me know. Let's see. MPS at 40. Add row. Add row. For example, if you're writing a function to find all rows in which employees. Oh wait, hold on. An even better idea. Can I just? All right. There we go. That should help. Okay. Let's see. So we're trying to learn how to add rows. I mean, adding rows from an existing table. So if you are instead writing examples for a function that involves filtering at a table, it helps to know how to create a table using new rows. Okay, working exactly 40 hours, we like to make sure that the resulting table had the first and fourth rows of the place table, rather than a new table expression to create a table. Okay, EMPS at 40, add row. Okay, add row. Okay, add row employees dot empty employees dot row 0. Here employees empty creates a new and empty table with the same column headers. We've already seen how row n extracts from a row from the table. The add row function places the given row at the end of the table. Okay. So I guess it's saying the add you got the add row, and then you got add row, which is like a completely like empty row, and then I'm guessing you're filling in these two rows in replace of this. Another tip to keep in mind, and the only thing your function does is call a built-in function like transform. It leaves. Okay. Okay. Let's see. MPS. Okay. Let's try that. Yes. At 40. Okay. Oh, okay. I understand. So it's just creating an entirely different row. I mean, entirely different table. Okay. I understand. So like the table would have been completely empty. Wait. All right. The table would have been completely empty if I didn't have the add row employees dot empty. Okay. All right. We're on to processing tables now. Let's see. Cleaning data tables. In data analysis, we often work with large data sets. Oh yeah, no. Speaking of data analysis, an interesting thing about this language is, or at least like the people teaching it or whoever wrote this whole um site. Matter of fact, I should give you guys the link to this. There you go. Just in case you guys want to check that out. Just put that there. Um. All right. So they not only like teach you about code, but like they also get into like um the ethical and moral parts about coding, which I think is really cool. But let's see. Concrete example. Assume that you're doing data analysis. Dang. What do you notice that might affect using the data in an analysis? Okay, discount code birthday student. Man. Okay. Hmm. Before we do any analysis with this data set, we need to clean it up so that our analysis will be reliable. In addition, sometimes our data set is clean. Okay. Cleaning data. Okay, I guess there's nothing. Oh, okay, no. Okay. If you want to load a C. Yo, we can load Google Sheets in here? That's crazy. Wow. Dang. I'll just put that at the top. Quick. All right. SS ideas identify. Whoa. Hmm. Okay, SSID is the identifier of the Google Sheet we want to load. Load table says to create Pyret table via loading. Source tells Pyret which sheet to load. Okay, let me try to run this code. Pyret complains about the tickets. It was expecting a number, but instead we found a string. Pyret expects all the columns to hold values of the same type when loading the same. Okay, wow. Yeah, that's what we got here. Okay. Not all languages reject programs unloading. Okay, so I wonder if there's any way that you can like convert, like without going into the actual Google link. I mean, like Google Sheets link. Like, can you actually change that before it fully loads? I mean, before it loads the table. I wonder. Uh, within the source of Google Sheet for this chapter, there's a separate. Okay, if we use data instead of origin data and above load set. Okay, so we're just gonna try regular data. Okay, that worked. Why might we have created a separate worksheet with the corrected data rather than just correct the original sheet? I mean, I feel like it's better to learn both the errors and like the right stuff. If I don't get any errors, I'm not gonna learn anything. So I guess that's my answer for this. Dealing with missing entries. Okay. Event data is the name. Okay. Event data is the name of the function. Okay. Yo, that's actually lit. Cause we can like not even being a programmer like this can be useful stuff for like people at work or something. You know what I'm saying? Like this is some good stuff. Wow. Okay. The original data file as a blank and just column if you want to take it. Okay. Odd looking notation like some none, but none isn't a string. What's going on? Special type of data called option. As the name suggests, option for data. Okay. Okay, so I guess the difference between let me see. Between Ernie's row. Let me see, where's Ernie? And then Sam's row. The difference between this none and then this none, I guess this is using the optional data type like somebody I mean Ernie entered in none, whereas Sam didn't put anything in here, so it shows none without the string but Pyret the right way address. Okay. You guys can you is the chat I mean not the chat. Is the like can you guys see the words or no? Let's see. Event data load table. Okay. Sanitize name using string. Sanitize. Address this is to ink. Okay. So that the data. Name using string sanitizer. Sanitizer. Okay. Each of the sanitizer. Okay, so the sanitize thing, it just converts the um the said input or value into what it's supposed to be. Let me see. So instead of it saying like, some student, it says student here. Okay. That makes sense. Wait, what I put? No, because the type isn't enough to show. Some situations you might want to use the default value to be something. Okay. So I guess using this would only say that it expects a string value rather than a sanitizer, which would like take even a non-string value and turn it into a string if possible. Okay, that's nice. It's real nice. Let's look at the discount code column. Our goal is to be able to accurately answer the question: how many orders? About how to standardize the names. The term normalization refers to making sure that a collection of data shares structure and format. Our solution was okay. Uh, okay. All right. It's still blurry. Let me see. I'm gonna try one more time. Let me see. Oh no. Okay, output. We're gonna put. Okay. It should be better now. Maximum. Hold on now. Let me see. What if I just mess around and did 10,000? All right. Let me see. If it's still blurry, my bad, y'all. I'll try to fix it after the stream ends. Hey, but enough of me reading this. You guys got any suggestions on like tables or any functions that I can create? Like try to experiment and like work with, and I'll try to do it. Like let's say trying to make a function that calculates let me see the employees row. Uh, oh yeah, wait, let me see. Where's the documentation page? Okay. I also used or need to practice using the documentation page. All right, see ya. Adios. All right, let me see. I'm gonna try adding another row with functions. Add, what is it? Is it add row? And then employees is the row I want to add. I mean, I want to use the base row, and then let's see. What if I did like employees dot row number, and then let's see. I want to add OB. So would that work? Okay, yeah, it adds another OB. All right, hold on. No, but what I want to know is, oh wait, this add row, it empties out the whole table. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. Whoa. Let me see. if I did a function, type function, and calculate wage and hours, and the function would be we're gonna have R for row, and then we want that to be a number output as well. And no, not if. We're going to calculate not divided, we're going to multiply. So okay. And then let me see, we're going to do hourly wage, and then hours worked. No. I'm going to do hourly wage to what's it called? Build column. Oh, I have to make it. Okay. Let's see, build column. Then I do employees, right? And then the new value is compute wage. Okay. And then we'll do employees 1 equals build. Okay, there you go. Employees 1 equals build column. Okay, that way you can do hours worked, compute wage. There you go. So now we're gonna multiply the hourly wage times the compute wage, which would give us, let me run. So, calculate wage hours. We got employees 1 dot. Wait. That's all I got. It's used but not paid. Oh, that typo. Okay, calc wage hours. Yeah, employees 1. And I'm pretty sure that's it. That's all I gotta do, right? Row annotation. Oh no, that's a table. Oh my bad. Table. Uh, no. This is a row. I need to do the table of this. Let me see. So function. Let me see. How did I get? I use build column. I'll say make. I'll just make a function make. Okay, so make, and then we got compute wage. Okay, function make. Do. Oh, I don't even think I do that. Let me see. Emp2 equals build employees 1, right? Actually, no, we'll just do. No, I gotta do employees 1 because that's the only one that has the compute wage column. Compute wage, and then compute wages. There we go. No, not compute wages. Wage hours. I'm pretty sure that's it. Adding column compute wage, but it already exists. Oh, nah. Okay, wage hours. There you go. Whoops. All right. There you go. Now imp2 should have calculate wage hours. Okay, so it multiplied 15 times. Okay, yeah, that's correct. All right. Yeah. All right, that's lit. All right, what if? All right, I'm gonna make a new table. All right, table. I'm gonna do. How do I name tables? Test equals table. If I can spell it. All right, then we got a couple rows. We're gonna do. What should my columns be? I want to take in names from the one person viewing. I don't know who this is. What was it? We're gonna have name be one column. Uh, and then name and money. So we're gonna have, okay. No. We have, what you call it? What was that dude's name? Bling Bling Boy from Johnny Test. We're gonna have Bling Boy have let's see. We're gonna have him have like $10 million. That's 10 million, right? All right, Bling Bling Boy. He's gonna have 10 million. We're gonna have Johnny Test have 1,000 because that dude's straight broke. And then we're gonna have what was another cartoon character? We're gonna have Danny Phantom. He's gonna have like 100,000 because he be he be whooping ghosts, scamming households. And then what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna make up a little story. Oh yeah, I forgot. Is it end? Yeah. We're gonna make a little story, alright? We're gonna do story. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a little story time. So function equals bling broke. Alright. We're gonna have a number value. No wait. No, we have a row, and then we want a number value. Yeah. Okay. And so we're gonna have said row money get let me try. See, said money. How would I? R minus 10,000 equals said row R2 R2 said money is we're gonna do Johnny because that boy Johnny. Does that work? Oh yeah, R2. All right. All right. Danny is previously used but not defined. What? Oh, I see what I did wrong. I didn't put this in string. I mean, it's not a string value until I wrap it in quotation marks. Okay. I'm practicing right now. R2. So bling broke. Let me see. We're gonna have story dot row number 0 because that's bling bling boy, and then we're gonna have what was it? Johnny's row is row 2. So story dot row 1. I think that is. What would that be? All right. What if I did that? Hmm. How do I change? Let me look at the documentation real quick. Change. See if I can like change the. Is it transform? Transforming table rows. There we go. How do I do that? Transforming table rows using binding. Uh, how do I use transform column? Column hourly rate. New rate. Equals. Okay, so we're gonna do new money equals our money minus 1,000. Oh, that's what I was wondering. I was like, why is it showing that? Should end with an expression. Uh, new money. No. Transform. Try to use transform. I'm gonna try to use transform row. I don't know if it's gonna be correct though. Hold on, let me make sure. Transform table rows. So I transform. Okay. So transform. Hold on now. How they do transform column then? Wait, I think it's because transform column was a built-in function. I mean, like, was an imported function from this here drive. Let me see something. I think that's why. Transform row. I'm gonna just try it. Transform row equals. Uh, how do I use this? Which is the table. Hourly wage. Okay. I'm gonna do T. The table. See, this is how I get stuck in like spending hours trying to make function. This is how it starts. This is literally how it starts, but it's the only way I could really fully understand what I learned. As rough as that sound. Let me see. Hourly wage. Okay, now we're not doing hourly wage though. We're doing T table. Hold on. I'm not gonna see it. Run. They also have transform row because if they do, then it's used but not previously defined. Transform column. Okay, so it's not in there. So how do I use this then? Expression using. Okay. Transform fields. Oh, so it's a function. Table transform. Okay. So I do not know how exactly I'm supposed to use this. My guy. Name binding. The simplest form of binding is name binding. The form simply associates a name with a given value. Okay. So it's just variables. It's just variables. Okay. Using the variable. Okay. Let me try this out. Let me see. Transform that following expression. So we're gonna transform uh story dot row number 0 wage. Wait, no, not hourly wage. Money. What's wrong with me? Money. Using. Okay. Uh. 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 Using. I'm lost now. I'm gonna just what it says. You may listen using. Okay, so that's the full function. Transform using um, minus. Okay, we're gonna subtract this, and then we're gonna get another parameter. I think binding transform fields. Transforming this expression, right? No, the binding. What is a binding, y'all? What is a binding? No. I know what a binding is. It's like a variable, but how do I use that? Man, that's why we got Google, right? Let me see. Pyret transforming. Let me see. Pyret transforming rows. Let me see what we get. We gonna look. That's lit. They got their own stuff. Transform row examples. So it changes headers. Okay, so this is a binding thing that they're talking about for R. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to be able to. I'm not sure if that's going to be able to. Okay. Transform column. Okay, these. Okay, this. I think these are the rows. I mean, not the rows. The functions that I imported from this Google Drive, the one that they provided me in the lesson. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, build column, get column. Okay, all rows. So yeah, there's no build row function. Add row and add row. Add row does not do what I want it to do. So I want to change the row. Into let me see. Okay. This is how I'm about to do it then. Function. No, not steal. We're gonna do take money. If I could spell, goodness gracious. All right, take money, and then we're gonna have a row, right? And then we're gonna do we want it a number? Let me check. I'm looking at my previous example. Yeah, we want a number. Okay, so we're gonna do the row, and then money. Money minus, and then X. We're gonna do X, which is a number. I'm out. Okay, AMT money minus. Okay, where take money, and then dot row number 0, and then we're gonna do. I'm gonna take minus 1,000. You know, matter of fact, go ahead and do that. It's 0. Oh, it's not really. Okay, so that money. If I do take money, story dot I mean no, not story dot row number 1, which is Johnny, and I take 99. I should get 1. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the where. It's 1 money story dot 0 is. All right, I just created another function. Let's go. I mean, I guess I could take function. We're gonna do an add money function, which is the same thing. No, we're gonna do function multi money. All right, we're gonna multiply that money. So we're gonna do the same thing, have the same parameters. All right. Number. All right, and then we're gonna get our money. Set. We're gonna multiply, and then that should be an easy calculating function there. This. Multi money. No, that was not what I wanted to copy and paste. All right, multi money. Okay, we're gonna get row number 0, which is really row number 1. Right here. I mean, the first row officially. Row number 0, and then we're gonna multiply it by 2 just to make sure it works. Okay. All right. So what if I just did a full-on expression? So I'm gonna do a more advanced function. We're gonna if money there. If our money is greater than no, we're gonna do less than greater than or equal to. Was it like this? Or was it like this? No, it has to be like this. Okay, if our money is greater than or equal to 1,000, we gonna do our money. Hold on, we're gonna put this in parentheses because this is gonna be a full-on expression. All right, let's see. Our money plus we're gonna get a little bit extra in the bank, right? And then we're gonna multiply that by 3. Else We're gonna be like, if you aren't under 1,000, right? We're gonna take, yeah, we're gonna take 1K from you. All right. All right, and then in there, that should be. What's going on? What's going on over here? Stop. Oh, I forgot calling. There we go. Okay. No. Hey, yo. What's going on? Okay, I was about to say. All right, multi-money. Dot row. And row number, no, not 0. We want to do 1 because Johnny's the only one that doesn't. Wait, hold on. I don't need this. Yikes. I only need one of those parameters. Multi-money. I'm trying to multiply that money for those who is broke right now. So that's Johnny, because he only got 1,000. Everybody else got 1,000 plus. So we're gonna do multi-money. There you go. So let me see. Add 1,000. That should be 2,000 times 3. Okay, that's what's up. So before I did multi-money with bling bling boy. With bling bling boy. He loses money because you already got 10 mil, bro. What you doing trying to multiply your money? I understand everybody trying to get their bag, but some of us out here struggling. Same thing for you, Danny. Why you trying to? What you doing trying to get money, man? You got 1K. Okay, actually no. We gonna do nah. This is what we're gonna do for Danny. We're gonna do something for Danny because Danny, he don't got as much compared to Bing Bing Boy either. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 1 mil taken. All right. Then we're gonna do else if. Else if. All right. We're gonna do else if our money. Okay. Else if our money. Oh. Our money equals greater than or equal to 100K. Right. We're gonna take your money. We're gonna add 1K as well. And we're gonna multiply by 2 because you know what I'm saying, you need some money compared to Bling Bling Boy. But you ain't gotta be overballing on Johnny, you know what I'm saying? So oh wait. Else if what? Hold on now. Else if. What's going on? Oh no, not this thing again. I gotta turn that off. Oh well. Okay. Else if. What was it? Money. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. It's like a certain setting. What's keyboard shortcuts? Let me see. Da. Okay. Let me see. I think it was. Nah. Was it Alt? Alt that did that. I don't even know. Oh well. Else, if our money is greater than or equal to 100K, we're gonna do. Yeah. What's going on? Boom, boom, money. Oh, did I add an extra bracket somewhere? I probably did. Where it at though? Uh, these are those brackets. These are these brackets. Ah, I see. I didn't put our money. Whoops. There we go. Yo. All right. I got. Let's see. Multi money. No. Story dot. Yeah. Story dot row number. And then we're gonna do one, right? I'm gonna just leave it. Then we're gonna do one, which is no, not. We don't want one. We want two, just to see what it does with two. All right. So let me see. It added 1K, and then and then of course we got boy to try to multiply his money. He gonna get scammed. He gonna lose 1 mil. That's tough. All right, that pretty much concludes for this live stream. Let me see. It's an hour and 30. Hour and 30. Goodness gracious. Hour and 30 minutes. How to practice slash work on a couple of things I learned. Again, this live stream was not intended for entertainment purposes. This is me showing the reality of learning something new. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this. My bad if the stream is blurry or you guys cannot see what I'm working on. I will do my best to fix that. I will do my very best to fix that. But yeah, that concludes the live stream for today. Hope y'all got at least something out of this. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Deuces.